Welcome back in the gluten-free kitchen. Today we're gonna cook a simple yet great addition to a full Irish breakfast, for which we need the following. Measure out about 20 grams of cornstarch, then about 170 grams of rice flour. An episode on how to make rice flour is coming up, and we're also gonna need a teaspoon of guar gum. Combine all the powders, mix them in. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Also set aside a little bit of rice flour for dusting. You're also gonna need a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, a teaspoon of Himalayan salt or regular salt, a teaspoon of ground thyme, about 20 grams of butter for frying, and the flour mixes. And we're also gonna need 3 potatoes, for which we're gonna use a peeler. Start revealing the top of the potato, then insert a fork into it. Start holding it and using your dominant hand, start peeling it off. By doing it this way, you'll make sure that the potato is not gonna slip away. Using a sharp knife, we're going to chop them up into cubes. Now you need to transfer them into a medium-sized pot. Cover them with water. About 1 liter in total. It's time to boil them for about 12 to 15 minutes. When the water starts to boil, add in the salt. Make sure to stir every minute or so. Then drain them out. And start pushing the potatoes down the sifter with a wooden spoon. If you like, you can also crush them. Clean up the sifter. And allow them to rest for a couple of minutes. Add the salt and pepper. The thyme, and now the flour mixes. And start kneading with your hand. Press it down with the palm of your hand. If it's easier for you, you can start kneading it on the working surface. Shape it up as a ball, which is supposed to look similar to this. As you can see, it's gonna be very soft. Lightly flour the working surface. And spread it out into a circle. A circle of about 26 centimeters or 10 inches. Slice slab diagonally twice, then horizontally and vertically. And the patty is gonna look similar to this one. And it is going to smell really nice. Then add the butter in the pan and spread it around. Then don't repeat my mistake of putting the whole bread at once in this pan, because it didn't fit and there wasn't enough space for me to properly turn the patties, and fry them for 3 minutes on each side until golden. I know that this is probably not the Irish way, but I'm going to give it a taste with some fresh mozzarella. It smells amazing. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this recipe. Let's give it a taste. It's really crunchy on the outside and really soft on the inside because of the potato. I can't wait for the Irish people to tell me what they think about this recipe. Until then, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.